channel. I'm Dawn with Candy Cane Ridge. Today I'm going to walk you through step by step how to make 8 half square triangles at one time. So let's get started. We have our little cheat sheet here. This is going to be available as a free download. Check the description below. You're going to need your ruler, scissors, pencil, some pins, and your 2 pieces of fabric. Right sides together. And I'm going to draw a line down. Now this is a 12-inch square. I've got a 6.5-inch ruler. So I'm gonna come over, I'm gonna line this up on my half so I know that this is 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm gonna draw a line. I'm just using a regular pencil. And then we're going to do the same thing. So basically, you're taking your square, does not matter what size you are using, but you're going to draw a line down the center both ways and on the diagonal. I'm going to put some pins in where I'm not going to be stitching. So on these 4, top and bottom and side to side, I'm going to put a pin. We're going to take this over to the sewing machine and we're going to stitch 1/4 of an inch away from both sides of this diagonal line, and we're going to stitch 1/4 of an inch away from this diagonal line. So we've stitched our seams 1/4 inch away from the drawn line on the diagonal. Now we're just going to remove our pins. We're going to take our ruler. So you can either use your rotary cutter or scissors, and you're going to cut. I like to do the side to side first. And then the top and bottom second. And on your little cheat sheet that I have for you, I have them numbered. Now you can do your diagonals. And this same process works for any size squares. So there's your half square triangles. 1, 2, uh-oh. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. There's your half square triangles, and you can press them usually to the dark side, but your pattern should tell you which direction that you need to press them. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.